Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I'm going to do a little tutorial with the strawberry sprinkle Heart Revolution little donut palette. I have done one with the blue. It was like in my feature of all full face new makeup, and then I've done one with the raspberry icing donut, which will be up this week as well, or sometime. It might already be up right now. It's not up right now when I'm recording this, but I have done it just to look at work, so it just depends on how well it turned out. You know, fluorescent lighting is not your friend. But first we're going to take care of these brows because they're looking a little ragged, and my makeup has been on for a few hours, like 7 right now, but I didn't do my eye makeup, and I didn't do my recorder earlier, and then I kept putting it off. Well, at 8 after I went shopping, and I just wanted to get out and get everything I needed to get done before it got dark. Fun fact, if you don't know, I've been loving these palettes. They have lived in my purse almost as long as I've had them. Well, not as long as I've had them. I think I held them a while ago. But like before that video was even filmed, I've been using them for a while. Like the one with the full face. Like you just have to think. I've been in love with these. They are so freaking good. Thing is with this, they do only have 5 shades, but you can get few looks out of this, seriously. One thing is with the crease shade, that one's a little light for me, so I do use it, but then I like tap it into this one and like make a lighter crease shade with that shade and see if this makes any sort of a difference. Like you can barely see that it's on, and it's the same thing. So we're gonna mix it. Usually use this smudger, but I freaking love that shade right there. Oh, I love that peach one too, but we're gonna go a little darker with this one. The same one, I'm going to go into that middle shade. Like that peach shade. I'm not done with the top. Just the darkest shade. Pencil brush. blush into that middle shade. This doesn't match though, like at all. Perfect. Because it's Coachella with Serenity. Okay, made a much more like rosy tone nude. Okay, I'm down with that. Easy, quick, simple meld of colors on my lips. So, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.